said turkey had to be boring? What's up, YouTube? Welcome back. I'm David Ellis, Machete Boys Barbecue. Today, I've got a delicious jerk turkey recipe for you that's not too spicy and sure to please. This all started with a trip to my friends over at Widmer Supermarket to pick up a Ferndale natural turkey. Ferndale natural turkeys are grown right here in Minnesota, and it's what we cook every year. To get started, I spatchcock the turkey, and I'm not going to show you how to do that here because there are already some great resources that are available. I'll link a couple of them just right over here for you. After I got the turkey spatchcocked, it was time to mix up a brine. But not just any brine, it's a buttermilk brine. Wait, buttermilk? You bet, buttermilk is a great tenderizer and a great brine for turkey. Give it a shot. I'm gonna link all of the recipes, not only in my description, but you should go ahead and check out my website at www.macheteboysbarbecue.com. I'm gonna be sure to post all the recipes for all the upcoming videos, and make sure that you don't miss one. Hit that subscribe button. It's super simple. It was half a gallon of buttermilk, 3/4 of a cup of brown sugar, 3/4 of a cup of Homestyle competition barbecue rub, and the juice of 1 lemon. So after I got the turkey in the brine last night, I put it in the fridge and I let it sit there for about 14 hours. A good rule of thumb is to brine 1 hour per pound. So now I've got the turkey out here. What we're gonna do is get it out of our brine, give it a good rinse, dry it with some paper towels, and I'd say that's ready for some spice. For the jerk seasoning today, I'm using Jah-Love from Oak Ridge Barbecue Company. Just gonna get a couple more shakes here on our wingtips. I'll let this sweat out for a bit. And I'd say we'd be ready for the smoke. All right, we got our turkey on the smoker. We're gonna let it hang out here for about 3 to 4 hours, basting it every hour with butter. I'll be sure to bring it back in when that happens. But in the meantime, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on the next recipe. All right, it's been about an hour. It's time to take a look at our turkey and see how she's doing. I've got a little butter here that I've melted and a little brush that I'm just gonna baste on top of it just to help keep the moisture in there and to help develop a nice golden brown color. All right, so while we're in here, we might as well take a look at the temp and see how we're doing. When temping your turkey, you want to temp it in the thickest part of the breast. We're shooting for 159 today. You can see that temperature's at 133, so I'd say we probably have about another hour and a half until our turkey is ready to go. All right, our turkey's all done. I took it off the grill and set it here. While it's resting, I'm just gonna hit it with a little bit of Mississippi white sauce from Killer Hogs. That's gonna help to mild out those jerk flavors a little bit more so it's not as spicy for our Minnesota guests that are on their way here. You just gotta carve it up and serve it. I'll link a video up here that shows you how to carve a turkey that I like. Other than that, let me know what you think, enjoy, and we'll see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe.